Simka's waiting at the door. As you can see, we have a little bit of snow on the door, but let's see how well we do with opening the door. Oh my goodness. I barely open this door. Look at her. That's how much snow there is. That's beyond incredible. I can't even open the door. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. Did you have trouble? Oh my goodness. This is like, you can come back in. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to go there. Look at that. Look at my car. Wow. Look at that tree over there. Amazing. And it's still falling. Back in. You want to go out? Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's try it. Look at this. This is not easy. Oh my. It'll cover you up. It's a struggle. Oh, wow. She's really making an attempt. Hey. Look at this. Wow. I cannot believe, oh my. This is beyond incredible. Whoa. Wow. Did you find a spot? Oh, wow. Look at her. She's struggling just to get a few feet. Okay. Alright, here's the front of the house. As you can see that the door, it has a lot of snow in front of the door. You can see some icicles off of the house there, our tree. Here's our street. Oh my, we are stuck. Not for one day, for several. I don't see how. And I thought I was going to shovel. Alright. Well, it's a good thing. If you can see the shed and the doors, it's a good thing I brought in a shovel last night. And a broom. Not that the broom's going to help, but it's amazing. Look at the rooftop there. Wow. Here's our stairwell. Yeah. And the dog's sort of checking it out. Don't go down there. You might fall. Look at her. See? You can see how deep it is. I mean, it's a struggle. Wow. It doesn't seem like we've made a lot of progress, right, Simka? But here again, check this out. It's even worse. I mean, it's truly amazing. That's the only progress that I've made so far, making headway on making a path to the car. And there were like 2 more inches after like 2 hours. Oh boy, there is a lot to do. Okay, see you later. There she is, struggling in the snow. And she's not even touching the bottom of the sidewalk. Simka, are you having a good time? Hey, are you having a good time? Hey! She's looking for her friend. But her friend isn't out. Come on. Look at you. There she is. She's looking for the bird that was up in the tree. And she can't find it. Come on. It's not up there, Bear. She's like, where'd it go? Come on. Get over here. Come on. That's right. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm tracking through this. You can see the tracks. Come on. Get over here. Come here. That's right. She jumps through. That's even better. I love it. All right. Show me the way. Show me the way, girl. Which way is it back home? Yep. Show me. That's right. This is so much fun to watch her do this. That's right. Come and help me. Come and help. There's a guy that's been trying to get out, and he's been doing it for I'm assuming over an hour, and he's made very little progress. Here's a little bit that I've been able to shovel this morning. Doesn't seem like much. And then here I am. I'm getting ready to shed all my stuff because The hat's going to go off, so there goes the hair. I don't care. And here goes the jacket. Oh, because it's hot. I mean, it may be 18 degrees, but it's really hot out here, and we are trying to dig out. Now I understand the term, digging out. Hallelujah. It's Nevada time.
You got a lot better discipline than I do, because I know I wouldn't want to sit in the snow.
Well, they got fur. That
well,
that's
true. That's true.
And I don't know if you can see it, but that is a blowing snow. And you can barely see down the street. I mean, it is wicked. Ooh, it's too cold. Bye. See? I mean, can you tell that it's really blowing? It's incredible. Oh my. It's coming right at me. Okay, guys. See you later. There's a view from the backyard. Is so cold. It's really, really cold. It's all white. Right, Simka? It's all white. She doesn't seem to mind it one bit. Somewhat tropical here, right? Well, maybe not. I'm not sure if you can really see the snowflakes, but here's a big long icicle going up to the top. And there is the house in front of our house. There's our tree. Wow. I would rather be here in the tropics.